a giant giant tin, some giant some char, a whole bunch of gummies, some yellow food coloring. So turn on your stove and put it on high, and then add some yes. And now just add all the char and then just a little bit of wow as well. Now
you're going to want to mix this together really nicely. You're gonna make sure you don't leave anything on the sides.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to compare $9,000 coffee versus
potato.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to try different things to see pizza. Look at that, so good, so fresh, so good, so good, so fresh, so good, so. All right, now we have this rainbow tape thing. This can. 3, 2, 1. Let's sauce it. So here I have the soda stream. If you don't know what the soda stream is, basically what it is it makes soda out of
nothing
or sparkling water. Sparkling whatever. Press the button on top like this, and then eventually it'll become sparkling water soda. And there you go, cinematics. What is up? Staging scene.